to lead a team in a deadlock?
I think to, again, be a safety valve to create the secure base, to hear all ideas, go through the brainstorming, what are possibilities, and not make decisions too soon, accept all ideas as crazy as they sound, and then set a time limit, and then start looking for strategy that the team is going to come together and get into an agreement so that they're all on board, they're aligned. Even if they disagree, to find a way to compromise in such a way that we're here in a unified way. And so it's not necessarily the leader who's going to do the negotiation, but who's the best person among us? Who's going to be the lead person? Who can have the best person effect? Who will they likely trust? It's more like the process of the person creating the vision or helping create the vision, and then building that process of asserting forward. So you don't want to get stuck in the whole dynamic of arguing too long or get stuck in the process of impassivity. Leaders move people through passivity.